The only truly sustainable growth is inclusive growth.
If economic growth is only enjoyed by the few, it won't be sustained by the many.
We've got to construct a model that makes sense for people and not one that's built off people who only understand privilege.
I think there's a new level of activism. It's coming from the bottom up.
Never provide poor solutions to poor people.
Low wage is not the same as low skill. People use it interchangeably, and it's very damaging.
We are the cooks, we are the music makers that fuels a $1 trillion industry, but we get the least economic benefit.
There's a moral imperative to address the structural inequities that have been put in place and have sidelined so many of our young people before they even have a chance to get started.
There are some real realities. Not to allow women to flourish to their full extent is a way of holding back in terms of economic opportunity.
We have the see something, say something. I've added to that do something.
We're providing $33 million to support neighborhood and inclusive development projects in 7 communities across the U.S.
It's our commitment to be the jet fuel that catalyzes and accelerates your leadership to drive real change.
This is a pandemic, right? Everyone is affected. So we have to have a global coordinated response. It's really important for the world to come together and figure out how we do that in an equitable way, which makes the most sense.
If we set this up right, it could be a real opportunity to educate a whole generation of Americans without regard to race or income.
Not one of us alone can move the needle. It's going to take the right partnerships built on a foundation of trust to envision, believe in, and execute on a shared commitment to inclusive growth.